Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Wednesday, February 8th. Time is 9:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let me get to where we're at for a moment. Big drop right after market close yesterday. And just been kind of channeling up a little bit, but just channeling. Not much action so far. Right now, we're actually testing the 50-day moving average and the value area low. So saw a lot of absorption right there at 92. And right on this bar, we have some big cluster prints, which kind of showed a possible trap traders. And that's what it's looking like right now from this flush up here. So I'm short 10 contracts, 51.88. See if we can get this half off. Look to pull half off at 78. And stop is sitting at 98 right now. So, trying to pull this half. Might have to pull it early. So, it got down to 9 ticks and done its famous turnaround. I'll leave it where it's sitting at the moment, though. So, let's see if we can get this off and work this channel for a while. So, all right, guys, I'll be back in a moment. We'll see where we end up at. All right, guys, able to get half off here at 78. Stop is now sitting at not break even, but I moved it to 91 at the moment, or 92 at the moment. So a 4-tick stop. I think we're probably just going to be channeling until inventories come out, and by that time we'll may make a decision on which way to go. So I'm gonna just go ahead and play these channels until inventories. All right, guys, be back in a bit. Okay, I went ahead and pulled one more off at 78 for 4 contracts short and moved my stop to break even at 51.88. So 4 contracts short, 51.88. Next level I look to pull off is 68. All right, be back in a minute. All right, stopped there and going to watch this minute. This bar closed above the 50-day moving average. So, just a minute. At that moment, I believe we're possibly going to head north in the long run anyway. But again, I still think we're just going to channel for a bit until inventories pop out. And, after that, who knows what goes on at 10:30. So we'll see. All right, I'll be back in. We'll see if we can continue to play this channel. All right, be back in a minute. All right, guys, we are 10 seconds out from inventories. I'm not in any trade on my live account anyway. So let's see what happens. Nothing immediate. Okay, there's the rise. Or maybe not. All right, there we go. Well, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it came back as projected. So, alright, I'm going to pause the video. We'll be back after we can get back into a trade. Alright, see you soon. Okay, guys, I am looking at a channel. Short 51.92, half just came off at 51.82. Stop sitting at break even right now. All this is happening really quick. I'm going to probably see if we can run it on back down to about 63 or so, and I'll pull those 5 off and might look at switching directions, but maybe not. So, alright, I'll be back and we'll see if we get stopped out or if we can push this on down. So, short 5 contracts, 51.92. Alright, be back in a minute. Alright, just got stopped out on that one. So I think I'll sit out for the rest of this while this action's going on. So, alright, I'll be back when the market slows down. Okay, guys, it's slowed down a little bit. I think we can work these areas here. Short 10 contracts, 52.35. Look to pull half off at 25. Stop is sitting at 45 right now. So, see if we can work these numbers here. So, really depending on where this bar, if it closes within the value area, actually below the point of control, that'll be even better. Because this will just be this big area where it's testing again. A lot of momentum carried way up, but it hasn't been able to sustain yet. So, alright, we'll work this out and see if we can get out of it. Alright, be back shortly. Okay, went ahead and scratched this trade as soon as this bar closed. It closed above value area high. So chances are it's going to push on up here to the 200-day moving average, and actually a lot higher than that. So don't want to play in this area just at the moment. So I'm start needing to see some big prints come in, probably in the thousands or so, 900s, thousands, and we'll work it at that area there. So, okay, I'll be back shortly, and we will see where we're at. Okay, guys, giving this a shot long, 52.48, 10 contracts. Stop is sitting right here at 41 for 7 ticks, and look to pull half off at 58. So, alright, be back in just a minute. Alright, got half off there. I am going to leave my stop. I'm going to move it up a tick to 42 at the moment. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and move it to break even 48. And I may actually just pull some more contracts off. I think this is going to be my last trade of the day. So, yeah, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, I took 3 more off at 54, so that leaves me pushing here. Okay, 3 more off at 54. That leaves me in with 2 contracts long, 52.48. Stop sitting at break even, and I'm just gonna let this one ride out. So I'm not going to actively watch it or anything. So, just a bunch of scalps this morning, but no losses, so that's always good. Alright, I'll be back and wrap this video up, and we'll see where we end up at. Alright, be back shortly. Alright, guys, stop that on that one, and I am done for the day. I got a honey-do list I got to go get done. So, not sure what profit was today, but it was definitely up, so I'll take it for Wednesday. Alright, guys, we'll see you tomorrow, and we'll see how we do. Alright, have a good one.